Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to move your photos or movies from a memory card to your phone. We will go to File Manager. We have a photo here, a movie here. We need to use this move function and we can choose where to move. So from memory card we will have to choose whichever folder we want, movies, for example, downloads, etc. We want it here and paste, and it's now here. Very easy to do, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.